Hello everyone, welcome to Bodhanapamina's channel. We are in the era of competitive world, and as you know there is increased thrive for the jobs even, and the selection process is becoming more and more complex nowadays. The companies are looking for best out of the best candidates applied. So one among those selection process is group discussion in our HR interview. So this video will give you an idea regarding the group discussion and how you can get through your group discussion. Friends, kindly boost us for making further videos by subscribing my channel, like, share and press the bell icon for further notifications from my channel. Let us see now what is group discussion. Do you have any idea what group discussion means? Group discussion is a methodology that is followed by the companies or the organizations in order to assess the required skills in its employees or members. So the companies use group discussion in order to assess the required skills in its employees. Even we will use this group discussion in our familial situations while we are taking a vital decisions. For example, when we are in a dilemma in choosing a college for our higher studies, and even when you are having 5 to 6 offer letters in your hand and when you are in a dilemma to choose which company to select or which company to join, so we'll call for a group discussion with our family members to know what are the cons and pros of the remaining companies, and we'll come to a conclusion. So this we will see in our practical day-to-day life also. A typical group contains 8 to 10 members, and in this a group of candidates is given a topic or a situation, and then they're asked to think and discuss about the given topic or given situation. So here the interviewer gives the topic to the candidates, and the candidates are allowed to think about the topic individually and to present their views later to the group. Let us see what are the things that we are going to discuss in this video or the video highlights. The video highlights are: we are going to discuss regarding the meaning of group discussion, what are the objectives of group discussion in this video, and what is the difference between group discussion and debate, what are the do's and don'ts in group discussion. So what are the tips you have to follow to get prepared for group discussion, and what are the stages of group discussion, and what are the things that are expected by the interviewer from the candidate. As we all know, group discussion is an important tool for personality assessment. With the help of this group discussion, a candidate is assessed on his subject knowledge, attitude, behavior towards other team members, patience, self confidence, and the way a candidate presents his or her arguments. Let us see the major objectives of group discussion one by one. The first and foremost objective of group discussion is quality of leadership. Here, the interviewer aims to find out the leadership qualities of a candidate, and he observes the people who are capable to take the initiation in a group and who are potential to convince others with their arguments. The next objective is in-depth subject knowledge. Here, the interviewer assesses the candidate's subject knowledge on the given topic and how far he is capable of relating his subject knowledge to the given situation. The next objective is analytical abilities. Here, the interviewer will check your analytical skills. That is, how far you are capable of analyzing the given situation. The next major objective of group discussion is language proficiency and communication skills. The main aim of group discussion is to evaluate the candidate's command over language and how well he or she is able to communicate his or her arguments or opinions or views. The next objective of group discussion is self confidence. The interviewer also evaluates the confidence levels of the candidate. He observes how far the candidate is confident enough in presenting his or her ideas, views, or opinions. The candidates with high confidence levels have greater chances of selection, and the candidates lacking in confidence will have decreased chances of selection. The next objective of group discussion is problem solving and decision making ability. So, participating in GD doesn't serve the purpose. Here, the candidates are also assessed based on their ability to take decisions and how far they are capable of finding a solution to the existing problem. The next objective of group discussion is to find a perfect team player. The aim of the interviewer is to see how a particular candidate is able to coordinate with the team members. Team management skills are important for a candidate to manage members of different interests effectively. The next objective of group discussion is behavior with other team members. The interviewer also assesses the candidate's behavior with other team members. So, how far the candidate is capable of presenting his arguments, views, or opinions without hurting others, without insulting others, and without being overexcited and angry. So, these are the objectives which the interviewer will look and expect from the candidates. Most of them gets confused between a group discussion and a debate. So let us know the difference between a group discussion and debate, and let's come out of this confusion. Let us see the difference between debate and group discussion. Debate. It seeks to convince through arguments between selected speakers, and the chief function of the audience is to listen rather to talk. So here in the debate, it is a discussion through arguments. And the debate consists of two groups. One group will be supporting the topic given and the other group will be opposing the topic given. So these two groups will have an argument regarding a given topic. If we take the group discussion, here it is a discussion among the group who have an agreed topic, and its purpose is to extract ideas from different participants. In group discussion, we will be having only single group and the topic will be agreed by all the participants in the group, and they will be expressing their ideas or opinions in regarding to the topic either positively or negatively. If we take a debate, it is an argument, whereas group discussion is nothing but communication of ideas. Debate is competitive in nature with speakers speaking either for or against the topic, but group discussion here participants can express views on different aspects of the topic at different times and present a constructive solutions to a particular problem. So debate is an argument and competitive in nature, whereas group discussion is just transfer of ideas where we can find solutions to a particular or existing problem. Let us discuss what are the do's we had to follow during our group discussion. The first and foremost one is analyze and synthesize properly in a group discussion. As soon as a topic is given to you, first analyze the topic and try to synthesize the facts and figures that are pertaining to the topic. Next one is be positive and maintain your coolness. So have a positive mind and maintain your coolness throughout your group discussion. Observe and respond at the right moment. So be a good observer and try to respond at the correct time. For example, if you think that your group is deviating from the given topic, then you can interrupt them by saying, "Sorry to disturb you. I think we are deviating from our topic," so that by saying this, you can bring back them on track. Next is a smile and try to create a positive impact. Smile boosts your confidence and it creates a positive impact on you. Next is possess a pleasing and pleasant tone. So having a pleasing and pleasant tone doesn't hurt others, and whatever the arguments or whatever the opinions you are telling, it will not hurt others. And the next one is hold the attention of the group and support it. Even if you disagree, do it politely without hurting others. Let us discuss regarding what are the things that we should not do during group discussion. The first one is don't speak just to increase the speaking time. So don't kill the time by just speaking whatever you spoke already. So here quality matters a lot, quantity doesn't matters. So speak valid points and try to elaborate the valid point with figures, facts and real life examples. And don't be too aggressive during your group discussion. So have a polite tone while you're speaking. Don't try to dominate others. Don't indulge in any argument while you're speaking. Do not interrupt while others are speaking. So, wait while others are speaking until they finish their point or views. Now we know what are the do's and don'ts of group discussion, and we should also know what are the things we have to concentrate for group discussion. So we'll see how to get ready for group discussion. To get ready for the group discussion, we have to follow the following. Update your current affairs. So we have to update our current affairs because we don't know and we are not sure regarding which topic they will give. So prepare on the burning questions in our day-to-day life and prepare the current affairs for the past 3 months and update your current affairs for the past 3 months. Then even prepare notes for the current affairs and a few general topics. And self-practice is the best practice. There's a proverb called practice makes man perfect, which is a success mantra for all. For that, arise, awake, and stop not until your goal is reached. Practice well. Participate in mock GDs so that you'll have confidence and you know how to speak and where you are lacking also. Now let us see the types of group discussion. There are two kinds of group discussions. One is structured group discussion and the other is unstructured group discussion. In the structured group discussion, the topic is given to the participants to assemble their thoughts within the given period of time. So here the topic is given by the interviewer to the participants and they are given time periods so that they can analyze and assemble their thoughts regarding the given topic. Whereas in the unstructured group discussion, the topic is not given and the topic is selected by the group by their mutual consent. So the topic is not given by the interviewer to the group members, but the group members are allowed to select their own topic by their mutual consent or by their mutual agreement. topics. Let us see the topics we have to focus for group discussion. The first one is factual topics. These are generally about incidents that took place in our day-to-day life, current affairs, socio-economic or political happenings. Example, future of tourism in India or GST, etc. Next is controversial topics. These topics raise controversy among the participants. Example, men or women is great, love marriage versus arranged marriage, uniform is compulsory among college students, etc. Next is abstract topics. Abstract topics are vague topics or very general topics. For example, the future of artificial intelligence. Next is case studies. Case studies are not common in our interviews, but these are done during the admissions into business schools. So, in these case studies, the group is given a situation and they are allowed to analyze the situation and to come out with a solution for the given situation. Now, let us see the stages of group discussion. There are three stages in group discussion. First stage is called as initiation, second is body, and the third one is summary or conclusion. Discussion. That is initiation. Initiating a group discussion is sometimes preferable, but it also includes risk. When you initiate a group discussion, you not only grab the opportunity to speak, but also attract the attention of the interviewer as well as your group members too. If you are able to make a favorable first impression with your subject matter and good communication skills, it will help you to stand out among the members in the group. So, initiate a group discussion if you have in-depth knowledge about the given topic. When you start a group discussion, you are responsible for putting it into the right perspective or right frame of reference. So, different techniques can be used to initiate a group discussion and can mark a good impression on others. They may include and depend on the topic given. So, you can start with a famous quote. It is always considered to start with a quote for a topic like need for eminent leader in India. So for such kind of topics, you can start with a quote, a leader is a dealer in hope. And even you can start or initiate a group discussion with defining a topic. So if the topic of group discussion is GST or women empowerment or some other defining topics or general topic, first you can start with defining the given topic to you. Like you can define what is GST or what is women empowerment, and you can start elaborating the given topic. And you may initiate a GD asking a question and replying by the same person. So asking question and replying by the same person is another technique of initiation. For example is, war is the only weapon to achieve peace. So you can start by asking a question, do we achieve anything by war? And answering by yourself. Then the other method of initiating a topic is by giving a general statement by figures, facts, etc. So if one makes a shocking statement to start a group discussion, this grab immediate attention. So corruption in India. So you can start with the figures on facts of statistics regarding the corruption in our country by saying, do you all know that 50% of Indians had first-hand experience of paying bribes in using contacts to get their services performed by public officers? So you can start by giving the figures and facts of statistics. And if you initiate group discussion with the help of some facts, data, or figures, you must make sure that you are absolutely correct. So these are things you have to keep in mind while you are starting a topic or while you are initiating a topic. Let us see the next stage of group discussion, that is body of the group discussion. So this is the most important step of group discussion where every candidate gets a chance to present his views on the given topic. All the candidates are expected to present the important points and opinions during this time. And if you have not been able to initiate the discussion, don't panic and do not forget to put forward your views in this part of group discussion. And keep in mind, during this stage, try to express your views to the point and present your intentions clearly and concisely in a positive way. Do not repeat your arguments and try to present your view along with correct facts, data, and examples. So connect your view or arguments with facts, data, and examples. Try to discuss single idea at a time and keep in mind, so don't see the quantity but give focus on quality. Try to complete your idea within the given time. The first and foremost objective of group discussion is quality of leadership. Here, the interviewer aims to find out the leadership qualities of a candidate, and he observes the people who are capable to take the initiation in a group and who are potential to convince others with their arguments. Now let us see what are all the aspects that the panel members or the interviewer looks into the candidates. First one is they'll look for the person who takes the lead, who has in-depth knowledge, who encourages others, who has the leadership qualities and have the team spirit. Assess points and ideas raised by the participants and assess the number of points raised and the relevance of the points. They will not only assess the number of points raised and they will check how far they are relevant. They'll check the creativeness and uniqueness of the points and they'll see whether the points have been repeated or they are unique. Here the panel also observes the reaction of the participants who is low spirited and who is having positive attitude and who is confident enough. And they also observes who maintains his poise. And they will check the relevance of queries asked. Thank you friends for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.